Hello friends, today I will tell you how to make a multi-bootable pen drive. First, you download a small software. I will tell you the software name. This will set up from USB. You can download this one software. Open this link. Scroll down. You can use this one also, but right now I'm working in this one, and download this software. This is 24 MB only. After you download this software, it shows like this. Extract this software, come like this, and open Win Setup. Which window you have, you look, check it, 64-bit or 32-bit. Insert a pen drive. It's showing a pen drive. Auto format this with F. If you have Windows XP or Vista, you use FAT32, or Windows 7, 8, 10, you use NTFS. Click it here. Open this one. Windows 8. Then go to Advanced. Click it here. Close it. And go. Showing warming. All data of the partition on the screen removed. So be careful. First you remove your data from pen drive, then insert it. And do you want to continue? Yes. Yes. And this will take some time. After this, it's showing what is the name of your window. Wait. Okay. 1.8. Job done. This file is finished, and now we install Windows 10. First refresh this. After, remember this, not click it here right now. First time we clicked here, second time it leave like this only. After again we go this option. Open Windows 10. This, and after this advanced option, click it here and go. Again it will ask which Windows it is. Windows 10. Windows 10. Okay, and now it's work. It will take some time, 10 to 15 minutes, because it is big file. So wait when this file is finished. It option shows job done. Now it's finished. Window 10 and window 8 is finished. Exit. Now your multi-bootable pen drive is ready. You start your computer and insert pen drive, and you can check your both windows are working or not. Thank you so much.